In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. This integration can significantly streamline your workflow by bringing the robust project management capabilities of Monday.com directly into your Teams communication platform. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the team or channel where you want to add the Monday.com integration. It's important to select the correct team or channel, as this will be where you'll interact with your Monday.com boards in the future. Now look towards the top of your Teams interface. There, you'll see a plus icon, commonly known as the Add a Tab button. Click on it to bring up a list of all the available apps that you can integrate with Microsoft Teams. Once the list appears, head to the search bar and type in Monday.com. If you don't immediately see it, double check the spelling and ensure that it's available for your Teams environment. After locating Monday.com in the app list, click on it to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Monday.com account. This step is crucial because it allows your Monday.com data to sync with Microsoft Teams, ensuring all project management tasks and updates are readily accessible without toggling between different applications. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll need to select the specific board or dashboard you want to connect with your team in Teams. Consider carefully which board will be most beneficial for your team's needs, whether it's a high-level dashboard overseeing multiple projects or a detailed board for a specific task. After you've selected your board or dashboard, it will now be conveniently pinned inside your Microsoft Teams as a tab. This means your team can click directly on the tab whenever they need to access or update any project information from Monday.com, effectively merging communication and task management in one place. This integration is a fantastic way to enhance productivity by minimizing the need to switch between applications. Plus, having everything within Teams ensures that everyone stays on the same page with ease. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. Feel free to explore the features further, ensuring you're making the most of this powerful combination to drive your projects forward efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below.